But really, if you're going to a cookout, can you really have too much highlight? Like, let's be honest. Like, you want the nigga all the way over there to see you beaming from the gazebo, okay? Whether it rains or shines, your highlight gotta be on fleek, all right? What's poppin', baby? She's baby, and it's your girl BreeAngelique, and I am talking again. Today, we are going to do our summer 2019 look, okay? So basically, if you ain't hip yet, we doing natural hair all summer, unless we get box braids, because you know that's the unwritten black girl rule. You gotta get at least one set of box braids in the summertime. Pay homage to poetic justice. For the eyebrows, we're gonna keep it real natural, real cute. I'm gonna use my little ColourPop spoolie and the NYX eyebrow gel in the shade Espresso. I cannot wait for the summer. I think I need a new name for the summertime.
Super bitch is already taken.
Super bitch is already taken, but that does not mean that I can't be fucking majestic, okay? I'm gonna have a whole different persona through the summertime, so as soon as June hits, Bree is gone, and I'm gonna name her by June, but she'll be here. For me, in the summertime, I feel like a liquid highlight does way more than like an actual highlight, because it's melting into your face, and then it makes you glowy, and then when you sweat, you still be glistening. So you wanna take a stippling brush. I'm not too sure what this one's made of because I got it in South Africa 80 gajillion years ago. But it's a MAC 130 brush, for anyone who's wondering. And so, like, you see that? We want to look honey baked, okay? Is that honey baked? Or is that like sugar? Then you want to sweep it over your like underbrow area, and you could still use a powder there later if you want to. I'm not going to, but you could if you wanted to. And honestly, I may have put a little too much highlight.
But really, if you're going to a cookout, can you really have too much highlight? Like, let's be honest. Like, you want the nigga all the way over there to see you beaming from the gazebo, okay? Whether it rains or shines, your highlight gotta be on fleek, all right?
Next step is concealer. I really don't have a concealer that's like my shade. So what we're gonna do is use my highlighting concealer, but only like a dot. Because unfortunately, I have dark circles. My mother has them, my aunts have them. So I'm doomed. And we're just gonna buff that in. Now, like, I really wish you would find some business and sit down. This is new for me, but I like it. I really don't conceal by itself all that often. Setting powder. And we're gonna put that under there. And a little bit on the bridge of the nose. And up here in the middle, because you still don't want to be like a grease ball. You still want to have like purpose behind your glisten. I'm taking my Lancôme Dual Finish powder, and I'm just gonna add that on my face. We just want to blend that under eye in. Setting spray I'm using is the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. It's not amazing if you're doing like a matte look. I wouldn't use that one, but if you're trying to do like a dewy type of situation, definitely use that setting spray. It's bomb. We're wearing these mink lashes. All right, so to add a little more oomph to the face, I am gonna splash a little bit of contour, but to be honest, it's just whatever's left on my brush. That's what I'm gonna use. Then I'm going to take the Fenty Diamond Bomb highlight in the shade How Many Carats. Now we're going to add some more gloss. This is the Essence Clear Gloss. It's the bomb. And it's $2.79. Just saying. You do gotta reapply it a lot though. I will be honest. Oh yes, honey. When the hair goes back, the lashes pop. Who is she? Who's that in my mirror? I fucking love these lashes. Fucking love the hair. I'm here for all of this. And yeah, I don't know. I guess I was about to be insecure, but and that was that on that. So if you enjoyed my video, I hope that you would give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and you know, modify the look however you would like. I'll probably do another one of these with different hair and smaller lashes just to give you guys a little different type of vibe, but I'm here for this. So if you catch me in my drag lashes this summer, don't say shit to me other than bitch you look good, cause I do. Anyway, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Mwah. Bye.